Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an A-line skirt, a basic A-line skirt. So what you need to do, trace the skirt block, the basic skirt block, which I have shown you how to do in a previous video. I will link it below and in the card above. Once you trace it out, then these dots, you see them, go down, drop a vertical line down for all of them. So let's do that for both of them. Okay. We want to cut up these lines up to here and up to here, and then close these dots. These dots are 2 centimeters each. However, you could also reduce them to become 1 centimeter each, 1 centimeter, and join them, and then form a new dot here of 2 centimeters to take into account the 1 centimeter we've removed from these two, and then make that 1 dot, then close this, and you'll be left with that 1 dot. But I don't see the point, so we're just going to close these two and then open up like that. Then you shall close up these dots. Do the same for the front, only that with the front you only have 1 dot. Close the dot. So that's that. What you want to do is add paper underneath, and then on the side add 2.5 centimeters for more of an A-line look. So let's do that. So add 2.5 centimeters here at the side, 2.5, and then join it from here. So that's the back, and you wanna cut it. When you're cutting it, you cut it on fold, not on fold, on the straight grain like this. So that's that, the front, and that's the back. Then you just have to cut it out. If I do it, I think I'll have pockets in the front, somewhere here on the side, at the side, on the side, whatever. And then I'll have a waistband as well, probably. That's how you make an A-line skirt. If you want to learn more on pattern making or learning how to sew, please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. And I'll see you in the next video. That was my alarm so that the camera doesn't stop recording before I finish, but yeah.